Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best home theater soundbar with wireless subwoofer in its class, the LG S40TR 4.1-channel home theater soundbar. This 2024 model is an Amazon exclusive and brings a cinematic audio experience straight into your living room without breaking the bank. Let's start with what makes this soundbar stand out in a crowded market. The LG S40TR is not your average budget sound system. It's a powerful 4.1-channel setup that includes a main soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, and wireless rear surround speakers. Yes, you heard that right, fully wireless rear speakers, which means fewer cables and a cleaner, easier setup for your entertainment area. This system gives you big sound without needing a big room. The first thing you'll notice when powering it on is the new dimensional sound. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster, a thrilling TV series, or even just streaming your favorite playlist, the LG S40TR brings everything to life with heart-thumping audio. That's thanks in part to its compatibility with both Dolby Digital and DTS Digital Surround, delivering richer, more immersive sound. One of the key highlights is the Dolby Audio. This isn't just a logo on the box. It genuinely enhances your content with spatial clarity and audio positioning, making it feel like you're right in the middle of the scene. Explosions sound deeper, dialogue is clearer, and background details are more prominent, whether you're sitting dead center or off to the side. Now, let's talk about wow features, because the S40TR has not one, but two. First, the wow orchestra function. If you pair this soundbar with an LG TV, you can use both the TV's built-in speakers and the soundbar at the same time. This synchronizes the audio for a fuller, richer soundstage. It's like your devices are singing in perfect harmony. The second is the wow interface. It's a game changer for convenience. You can now control your LG TV and your soundbar with just one remote. From switching sound modes to checking the connection status, everything appears on your TV screen, streamlining your control experience. The design is also worth noting. LG's new crest design is sleek, minimal, and modern, meant to look good in any room. The metal grille on the soundbar not only adds a premium touch but also serves a practical purpose by keeping dust and debris out, ensuring the system stays clean and performs at its best over time. Let's not forget the Clear Voice Plus feature. It uses AI to enhance voice clarity, so dialogue in movies and shows is crisp and easy to understand. Whether it's whispers in a suspense film or rapid-fire dialogue in a drama, you won't miss a word. Now for the specs-minded viewers, here are the dimensions. The soundbar itself measures 28.4 inches wide, 2.5 inches high, and 3.4 inches deep. The subwoofer is compact yet powerful at 6.7 by 12.6 by 9.9 inches. With Bluetooth, optical, and wireless connectivity options, it's easy to link up your devices however you like. This model is recommended for TVs 32 inches and above, especially LG OLED, QNED, or UHD TVs to get the most out of that wow orchestra feature. Currently priced at around $196, down from $279, it's a limited time deal that's hard to beat. For a full 4.1-channel system with rear surround and a wireless subwoofer, this is phenomenal value, especially from a trusted brand like LG. So, if you're looking to upgrade your home theater setup with cinematic sound, modern convenience, and sleek design, the LG S40TR soundbar is a top-tier choice in the mid-range category. It's simple to set up, powerful to use, and genuinely elevates your viewing and listening experience. That's all for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product breakdowns just like this. Let us know in the comments what feature matters most to you in a sound system. Until next time.